I found out I had prostate cancer in May of 2009. My annual checkup, my PSA reading was 3.8. It wasn't the number in so much as it was the percentage of increase. It went from 2.2 to 3.8. I had a biopsy and the diagnosis was confirmed. When you're first diagnosed with cancer, in my case prostate cancer, it truly is shocking. You always believe it's something that's never going to happen to you. So it came as a huge surprise. Well, robotic surgery is fairly unknown in Canada. It's still in the experimental stage. So I had lots of reservations about robotic surgery, and in fact, in the beginning, it wasn't even an option I considered. I was recommended to Dr. Patel by a leading neurosurgeon who's a very close friend of mine. I really trusted his opinion, and I was told that Dr. Patel is the absolute best in the United States. The reason I went ahead and did this with Dr. Patel is, firstly, the robotic surgery for me was my number one option, because A, it got rid of the prostate and the cancer with it, B, it was minimally invasive, and 3, it was nerve sparing. And that's the reason I went ahead with the procedure. And Dr. Patel, there's no question that his reputation precedes him, and the fact that he's done so many of these surgeries was a deciding factor for me. It's hard to believe I had surgery. After the second day, I've managed to walk a mile a day, and it's just unbelievable. It's actually unbelievable that I've had fairly substantial surgery and I feel so good. I've never done a testimonial for anybody in my life. I'm doing this today because I feel it's the very least I can do for Dr. Patel, and hopefully I can encourage other patients with similar problems that are facing the same situation to not have any reservations whatsoever about being operated on by Dr. Patel. In fact, I can truly say it's a privilege, and all the stress and anxiety I had about the various forms of treatment, if I can in any way dispel any of those reservations from other patients, I feel that I've done them more of a service than I've done Dr. Patel. But truly it has been an unbelievable experience, and something that I will never forget.